In this video, I'll show you how you can make money on the internet with the method no one is talking about. It is already a proven and working method that doesn't require you to finish high school and get a financial degree. I will show you how to build your own landing page and generate traffic for completely free. You just need to follow each step carefully and replicate the process on your own. Let's not waste any more time and dive straight into the video. Step 1. Go to giddeup.io, an affiliate marketplace offering various high-selling products. Sign up as a marketing partner. Once registered, you'll be directed to a page displaying top products you can promote. You can earn up to $100 CPA, cost per action, meaning you keep your commission even if the customer requests a refund after sale. And this is the beauty of CPA affiliate marketing. You don't handle product manufacturing, shipping, or customer support. Everything is managed for you. Your task is to drive traffic to the affiliate offers, potentially earning thousands in passive income. Let me guide you on using this affiliate marketplace effectively so you don't feel overwhelmed. Select a product such as hoodie, which pays $33 for each purchase made through your affiliate link. To begin promoting products, you need to click on apply and wait for it to become available if you are approved. Once you are approved, you can click on offer tracking links. Scroll down a bit and choose your landing page or your destination link, and you can click on redirect link and click on copy, and this will be your link that you're going to promote. And each time someone clicks on it and buys the product, you will earn $33 if you're talking about this exact product. Now you need to choose up to 10 different high selling affiliate offers to promote. By the way guys, I've created an awesome affiliate marketing knowledge quiz just for you. Whether you're just starting out or you're already an expert, this quiz will help you discover your level of expertise and provide you with personalized tips to improve your skills. You'll get access to exclusive courses and ebooks to help you boost your skills and income. All you need to do is click the link in the description down below. Answer the questions, enter your email, and get your personalized results delivered straight to your inbox. Don't sleep on it, and let's get back to our video. Step 3. Once you've selected the category and the offers you want to promote, you need to create a landing page. Head over to Google Sites, which is a free no-code site builder. Google Sites allows users to easily create landing pages without needing any technical skills. Just click on the blank site, and this is where you are going to start building your landing page. We can change the title to Top 10 Home and Garden Tools, just like this. Highlight this title, click on Fonts, click on More Fonts, and search for Poppins. Select this and OK. You can make it bold, we can spread it out a bit and make it centered. For the background image, what we can do is go to pexels.com and just type in home, choose a horizontal orientation, and just scroll through the images. You can even create your own, but I like it to do it the simplest way. Just click on the download button and download this image. Go back to your landing page, click on the image, click on upload, and upload your image we just downloaded, just like this. Next thing we need to do is to fill this landing page up. So to do that, I recommend you doing 10 different products in the same category, so you can promote all of these products at the same time. So what we can do is go back to our GiddyUp website and click on one of these products, click on offer tracking links, click on this best destination URL, click on redirect link, copy this and open up in a new tab. From this landing page, we can copy this title and go back to our landing page and insert a text box. Just paste this one right here and insert a second text box. Go back to our offer and copy this description right here and paste it over here. Now highlight this, change it to Poppins, click OK. You can change this to size 12. Okay, the next thing we need is to add some images or one image. So we can go back to our offer page. We can copy this image. For example, just click on the right mouse button and click on save image as and save it to your computer. You can add one more image just like this and save it to your computer. Go back to your landing page, click on image and upload these images. Now we can move these images, we can make them a bit bigger to fit our page. Just like this, take a look at this. We already can see some frame of our landing page. So what you can do is actually to add one more text box underneath this and go back to our offer page and add this section of how it works. So you can copy this and copy actually the whole text, go back to our landing page and paste it right here. And we can do the similar as in our offer page. You can copy this, move it right here and copy this text, how it works. Paste it right here, or you can leave it like this, or you can delete this text and just leave it how it works. You can of course change this text to pop-ins and make it size 12, just like the one above. And this is what you want to do for all of your 10 products. You will add a second text box, you will add a second title, and you'll add some images, the description, and the how it works section if it has one. This is basically it. This is what you're going to do for 10 products, and I won't show you this whole process. Okay, next thing, what you want to do for each of these products to add a call to action. Go to the insert tab, scroll down a bit and click on button. For the name, you can call it click here to get your product. Just like this. And for the link, we're just going to paste our affiliate link here. Click on insert, and just like this, our button was created. We can move it to a center, we can spread it out a bit, make it centered, and you can even go to this section colors and choose a style 2, and this tab will turn grayish and will be more visible. Then you are all done with your products. You added all of your 10 products. In this landing page, you can click on publish. You can add a web address. You can name it top 10 home tools and click on publish. To view your page, you can click on this option button right here and click view published site, and this site will open up. We can scroll down a bit and we even can click on this button right here, and this will lead to our original affiliate link website. Step 3, we need videos for promoting our landing page on Pinterest. This can be done in two ways. You either create one yourself or just use already created content. That's what we are going to do. Go to TikTok and search for one of your chosen products. For example, there is this product called Sterile Eyes Headache Relief Cap. Just copy this product name, paste it right here, click enter, and find the video with the highest view count, just like this one. Copy the link, open up a new tab, go to snaptic.app, paste your link right here, click on download and download once again. And this will download your video without any watermarks. Next, let's create our branding. In this short tutorial, I won't be showing how to rebrand your account or create one. I already have a video on this, you can watch it after this one, but I just want to mention that you should craft your Pinterest account to fit your niche and only post content related to it. Now click on Pinterest, click on create a pin, choose a file and choose a video we just downloaded from TikTok. For the title, we can copy it from our landing page just like this, paste it right here. And for the description, we can actually use ChatGPT to create one and give it a prompt, something like this: create a 200 symbols description for Pinterest about top 10 home and garden tools, just like this. And even added emojis and hashtags. Copy this, go to your Pinterest account, paste it right here. And for the destination link, for the link area, we are going to copy our landing page, not affiliate links, but our whole landing page where we added all of our products. To copy this landing page URL, you can click on this icon right here and click on copy link. Go back to your Pinterest account, paste it right here. You can choose a board or create one. I won't do that this time. You can add tags. And the last thing, when you're all finished up, is to credit the original creator of this TikTok. So just type in credit at, go back to this TikTok and copy this name, username, and paste it right here. just like this. Also, I usually recommend to ask for a permission for this user, but as long as you credit a creator of those TikToks you're using, it would be all good. So the last thing is left to do, just click on publish. And just like this, our pin is published. I recommend posting at least 4 times a day because Pinterest is a numbers game. The more pins you create, the higher your chances of earning commissions. For more useful tips and different strategies on how to make money on Pinterest, be sure to check out my previous videos. Guys, thank you for watching, and remember to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and test your affiliate marketing knowledge with the quiz down below. See you in the next video.